Hey, enterprise owners, have you ever been there, right? Staring at a never-ending to-do list, struggling to get through reports, presentations, and spreadsheets? It feels like there's just not enough time in the day. But what if I told you there's a way to do all of that smarter and faster without the headache? Meet Context, an AI tool that helps you research, analyze, and collaborate faster than ever before. It's like having an entire office suite, all in one place, with just one click. Sounds cool, right? But here's the real question. How can it actually transform the way you work and help boost your business growth? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how it can supercharge your productivity. Well, getting started is super easy. Just click the link in the description below and you'll be taken to the official Context AI website. All you need to do is sign up, either with your email, Google, Apple, or even LinkedIn. And in just seconds, you'll be all set. Now here's where it gets cool. The chat interface is like having a personal office assistant. You can type out your task, upload any files or documents you need, or even describe your task with a screen recording if it's something hard to explain. For example, I want to create a comprehensive competitor analysis report for a marketing company specializing in digital advertising, including market positioning, pricing strategies, service offerings comparison, and actionable recommendations for gaining a competitive edge in the marketing industry. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even describe it via voice recording. But for me, text works just fine before hitting that button. Before you hit send, you can set your response preferences, ensuring the AI knows just how deep you want it to dive into your query. And when you're ready, just hit the button. Here's the magic. It'll first deploy market research agents to get started on your analysis. In just a few minutes, you'll get a detailed 16-page report that covers everything you need to know about your market positioning and pricing strategy. It'll walk you through things like hidden costs, transparency issues, and much more. As you go through the report, you'll also see a comparison of the services offered, along with a breakdown of what your competitors are doing well and where they're falling short. At the end, we'll give you clear recommendations and a step-by-step roadmap to help you make the right moves moving forward. It's all the info you need to make smarter decisions for your business. Please let me know how many hours or days you think it would take to create such a detailed and comprehensive report for future business planning. Would 3 or 4 days work? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And that's not all. You can edit the report however you want. Add anything or remove anything. Take your time and make it just right. When you're happy with it, you can export it in the format you prefer or share the complete process with your team. Now that the report is ready, you might be thinking, this is a bit lengthy and detailed. No worries. Hit that like and subscribe button, and let me show you how to impress stakeholders and boost your chances of a promotion. Creating a powerful PowerPoint presentation is super easy. All you need to do is say, I need this as a slide for my presentation, and boom. In no time, you'll have stunning slides ready to go. I'm talking bold titles, sharp graphics, sleek infographics, and charts. Everything you need to make your presentation really stand out. You'll be all set to impress your team or boss with a presentation that looks like it took hours to prepare. But in reality, it only took a few times. Alongside the analysis report, we've also got a detailed spreadsheet version, complete with a dummy dataset that we can start working with right away. When we open it up, we'll see everything laid out in categorized sheets like competitor overview, services comparison, pricing analysis, and market positioning. These aren't just data points. They're fully built out templates. What makes this even better is how flexible it is. We can add, remove, or tweak anything we need. It's designed to mold to our goals, not the other way around. And here's where it really shines. We can scan the entire workbook for errors, highlight key drivers that impact our strategy. It's all about making the data work for us in the smartest way possible. Need to share it or reuse it later? We can export everything as a CSV, Excel file, or even generate a clean template for future projects. How amazing is the context? Comment below. Here, not only have we saved templates for future use, but here's the exciting part. Context AI also offers pre-built implementation templates designed to fit your specific domain. Whether you're in finance, marketing, or any other field, these templates are tailored to your needs. Here's something that might surprise you. Context AI offers a game-changing feature. Integration with over 300 platforms, whether it's automation tools like HubSpot, professional project management apps like Notion, or storage platforms like OneDrive, Context AI lets you seamlessly share your work without switching between platforms. For example, if I need to share a report I've just generated, I can simply link it to my Slack account. After that, I just give Context AI the command to share it directly with my Slack group. Talk about making collaboration effortless. It's an all-in-one business collaboration platform that gives you everything you need at an affordable price. Before we get into the pricing details, let me share some real-world examples of how you can use Context AI. For content creators, it can help with researching topics and even generating materials like slides and infographics. Business owners can use it to create financial reports, analyze market data, and automate routine tasks, making everything run more smoothly. For students, it's great for researching topics, putting together presentations, and organizing notes. Contours AI really works for everyone. I'd love to hear in the comment section how you're planning to use it in your field. Well, moving to pricing, Context AI is completely free for up to 200 credits, so you can get a feel for how it works. But if you're looking to use it professionally, you can upgrade to the Plus plan for just $20 per month. Or, if you need even more, the Pro plan gives you 20,000 credits and $200 and all the advanced features. It's totally up to you which plan best suits your needs. Plus, if you want even better value, you can go for the annual subscription, making it more affordable in the long run. Honestly, I haven't seen any other tool out there that offers such a powerful set of features at this price. If you need something even bigger, there are also Ultra and Enterprise packages available. So, which plan fits your needs? The choice is yours. All right, so now that you've seen how Context AI can totally revolutionize the way you work, why not give it a shot for yourself? Just click the link in the description below to sign up. It's super easy, and you'll get 200 credits for free to start exploring all the features. Trust me, it's going to make your life so much easier. But wait, there's more. Ready to supercharge your workflow and save even more time and money? Check out my step-by-step guide on Skywork, where I break down how to use AI agents in real-world scenarios to take your productivity to the next level. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how you plan to use these tools to level up your business.